Imagine it's been 3 full days since you last closed your eyes. The world starts feeling strange and slippery. Colors seem too bright, time stretches and skips, and you might catch a shadow moving in the corner of your eye that simply isn't there. Your body is screaming for something it can't replace with coffee, willpower, or cold showers. After 72 hours awake, you're not just tired. You're running on a brain that's quietly fighting to protect itself. So what actually happens inside you across those 3 sleepless days? Why do your thoughts blur, your emotions swing wildly, and your senses start playing tricks? Let's journey hour by hour through one of the most fascinating things your body can do, and reveal why sleep may be far more powerful than we ever give it credit for. It starts gently. In the first 24 hours, most people simply feel groggy, irritable, and foggy, a bit like the worst jet lag of your life. Behind the scenes, a molecule called adenosine has been building up in your brain all day. Normally, sleep clears it away like a nightly reset button. Without that reset, adenosine keeps stacking up, and the pressure to sleep grows stronger and stronger. Your attention starts slipping, and you may notice your reaction times getting slower. Studies have linked just one night of missed sleep to performance that can resemble mild alcohol impairment. Your body still feels relatively functional here, almost convincing you that you've got this. But your brain is quietly logging a debt. And that debt always wants to be paid back. By 48 hours, the cracks widen dramatically. Your brain begins doing something remarkable and a little eerie. It starts taking micro-sleeps, tiny bursts of sleep lasting just seconds, where parts of your brain briefly switch off even while your eyes are open. You might stare at something and lose entire moments without realizing it. Your immune system can also shift around this time, with research suggesting that sleep deprivation is linked to changes in how your body manages inflammation. Hormones that regulate hunger may go haywire too, leaving you craving sugary, energy-dense food as your body desperately hunts for quick fuel. Emotionally, things get raw. Small annoyances can feel enormous, and laughter and tears may come far too easily. Your inner regulator is fraying at the edges. Then comes the truly strange territory: 72 hours. By now, the brain's ability to hold a clear thought may dramatically decline. Concentration becomes slippery, and complex tasks can feel almost impossible, like trying to grab water. Many people report hallucinations at this stage, seeing things, hearing things, or sensing presences that aren't real. This isn't madness. It's an exhausted brain misfiring as it struggles to make sense of a reality it can no longer process cleanly. The prefrontal cortex, your hub for judgment and decision-making, may become noticeably less reliable, which is why sleep-deprived choices can be impulsive and strange. Your sense of time can warp, and conversations may slip away mid-sentence. The body, in essence, begins forcing sleep upon you, whether you consent or not. Why does any of this happen? Because sleep isn't downtime. It's some of the busiest, most important work your body does. During deep sleep, your brain runs a kind of nightly cleaning service, with fluid washing through to clear out metabolic waste that builds up while you're awake. Your memories get sorted and filed, moving from fragile short-term storage into sturdier long-term form. Your hormones rebalance, your tissues repair, and your emotional circuits recalibrate. When you skip this maintenance for days, every system that relies on it starts to wobble. It's a powerful reminder that being awake and being well are two very different things. Sleep may be one of the most underrated pillars of health on the entire planet, quietly protecting your body in ways you never notice. Here's the genuinely hopeful part. The human body is astonishingly resilient. After a long stretch without sleep, recovery sleep often looks different. You may fall into deep sleep faster and spend more time there, as if your brain is prioritizing the repairs it missed most. While you usually can't recover all of it minute for minute, your body works hard to claw back what it can. This is a gentle nudge, not a scare. Occasional rough nights happen to everyone, and they don't define your health. But chronically shortchanging sleep over months and years is linked to a wide range of effects on mood, focus, and overall well-being. Protecting your sleep, treating it as essential rather than optional, may be one of the kindest, most powerful things you can do for the body that carries you everywhere. So the next time you're tempted to trade sleep for one more episode or one more scroll, remember those 3 sleepless days, the micro-sleeps, the hallucinations, the foggy, fraying mind, and how dramatically your body fights to reclaim its rest. Your sleep isn't lost time. It's invisible repair work happening on a scale that's genuinely awe-inspiring. If you found this fascinating, this is exactly what we do here on Body Decoded. Uncovering the astonishing hidden science of what happens inside you every single day. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive into your incredible body. And tell me in the comments, what's the longest you've ever stayed awake? I read them all. Now go get some rest. Your brain has work to do.